it is an Envision. Now envision yourself taking this taillight out. Cover. One push pin. Right there. Which is right there because you can see it on your own car. And you have this clip and this guide. So you want to make sure, I did it by hand. You can do it with a tool, but I guess it's up to you. These little guys right here just sort of help it sit in properly, right there. So you want to hear a snap, you see? So you pop this guy out. I just used a little rubber, got my finger back behind there, and pulled outward. And careful because it is American. Alright. 7 mil. Let's get her out. Now, gotta love American cars. And here's what you gotta do. You have to make sure you know what you're up against. Huh. We gotta take the bumper off. So, take the bumper off because the light sits underneath the bumper. Isn't that nice? Look at this. So I got some of the bumper out just to confirm. The harness is under there and there's a bracket. And I'll show you when I take it all out. So this is gonna be an 8-minute video. Let's continue on the journey, but it won't be right now. We have to come back later. So 2 days ago, I told you I had to take the taillight out. I started it, and then I realized, holy Moses, you have to pull the bumper off. And which I did. Let's get the bumper off. 1, 2, and like the front, I'm gonna pop this side panel off to see what's behind that. Same with this side. Let's begin. So as per usual, everything in this car sucks. See that clip right there? I use this guy because I didn't want to break it. It just does not want to play nice. See? You sit there and fight with this thing. It just doesn't want to play nice, you see? It doesn't want to pop. So pulling this guy back, and a tool like this, you're pushing in both of these little guys right here. You see? You following? Keep going because you got another 3 more. More safety clips because we just don't want 6-year-olds taking apart these clips. See that? Take it out. Squeeze as hard as possible to pull this puppy out. Oh yeah, fun stuff. So we got 7 mil and what looks to be another 7 mil. And let's see if that pops out, which I don't think so. I think that stays and this one pops out. Let's keep going. Let's get the other side out, get these Torx out. So with a tool like this, armed with a drill like this, and a T15, that's what we got, our arsenal. To get this guy out, and this one's already taken out, don't know why. The other side did have both, right there, safely on the ground. Take that one out, and that one. Just to be on the safe side, looks like it needed to be done anyway. See how it's pulling? Now, just like the front, we have 572 Torx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not too bad. Since we are dummies, we fell for a dummy. This is just a dummy. Looks like it's just a insert that does nothing. Keeps them both together. So this one had to be removed, this one. Skip, remove, and leave that one. Why? They're just pieces of plastic. Keep them both balanced and bumper together. So, she's starting to pull. Pull. She said, not yet. No. We got another screw right there. So let's get her out with our handy dandy contraption, which is right here and right here. And with some brute squad, you are the brute squad, I am the brute squad, we pull. See what I mean? Get behind here with your handy dandy tools. Ow. And you pull. Come on. 2 hands is better than one. You sort of want to pull up so it gets it unclipped. Now this thing's probably going to fall in my hands, so let's get this thing ready and pull her off. More security clips, because a 6-year-old's going to get back behind here and pull this puppy out. More security clips, because a 6-year-old's going to come back here and pull this puppy out. Look. Why? Why, man? Just like the front, make sure it's pulled all the way out with a handy-dandy tool like this. Of course. Squeeze and pull. One hand, two hand. Two hand. I actually like that look. It looks so off-road, but there's the bumper. Now let's get to 7 mils, because let's thank Buick to make sure that we have to pull the bumper off to replace the taillight. Thank you, Buick. Thank you. 1 7 mil. Check. 2 7 mil. Check. And do not be afraid to pull out. They are just, look like screws. Let's see if it focuses. But they're just plastic. See what I mean? They just guide right in. Nice, right? So firmly grasping, you can pull this puppy straight out once it's done. Part number, there you go. So let's put it back, because there is nothing to replace other than unplugging it, because it has a wonderful, another safety clip. Because again, a 6-year-old is going to come back here and say, hey man, what's this clip for? And pull it out. Watch this. See what I mean? You have to pull extra out and then squeeze. So it has to be out that far. With a tool such as moi, it unplugs. Or you can do it like this and say, hey, why does it say lock this way and unlock that way? Because it does absolutely nothing. It just unplugs the circuit board. There is no bulbs in this. So when this goes bad, you have to replace the whole taillight. Or do you open it up and pretend that you can actually do something with this? Because you won't. You'll just go, yeah, you know what? I'll just go on Amazon and see if I buy a new taillight. So there you go. Let's put this guy back. Plug this puppy back. Let's get this in our hands. There. Let's hope these things last 50 years. Because I'm only betting it's Buick. There you go. Let's line it back up. One-hander. There you go. I'm going to tell you, like it, don't like it, share. Just align the holes. There you go. See that? And push. Two screws back. Have fun putting the bumper back. Yeah. It's real easy, actually. So if you're by yourself, which I am, make sure this thing plugs in. This popped out. You can just put it back, slide it back on. Or don't. Your car. Hardest part, matching these guys. Setting this guy up against this guy. That's your hardest part. And there you have it. So put it right back up. And push, 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 push. And 242 screws later, you'll have it right back on. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.